Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super practical and honestly kind of essential for staying safe online, using Flipper Zero as a UTF device. Let's talk about two-factor authentication and how Flipper can step in to make your life easier and more secure. So, what's UTF? It stands for Universal Second Factor and is one of the best ways to add an extra layer of security to your online accounts. You know how websites ask you to verify with a text message or app after entering your password? UTF does the same thing, but with a physical device like Flipper Zero. It makes hacking into your account way harder because even if someone steals your password, they still need the Flipper to log in. Flipper can act as UTF device, which means you can use it for logging into services like Google, GitHub, or Facebook. Instead of relying on your phone or text message, which can be insecure, you will plug in your Flipper, press a button, and boom, you are logged in safely. Setting up is super easy. First, go to your account's security settings, look for two-factor authentication, and select the option to add a UTF device. Then plug your Flipper Zero into your computer via USB and follow the prompts. Flipper will automatically generate a secure key that's unique to that account. Now, when you log into your account, after entering your password, you'll be asked to use your UTF device. All you have to do is plug in your Flipper and press the center button. It's that simple. The best part, this method doesn't rely on the internet or your phone signal, so it works everywhere. Using Flipper Zero for UTF gives you way more control over your account security. Unlike SMS or email codes that can be intercepted, UTF keys like Flipper are impossible to clone. Even if a hacker somehow gets your password, without your Flipper Zero, they are locked out. If you have a lot of accounts, don't worry. Flipper Zero can store multiple UTF keys. You can switch between them easily in the menu and use the right key for the right account. No more juggling different devices or apps. So that's the rundown on using Flipper Zero as your UTF device. It's a small but powerful tool that adds a lot of security without any extra hassle. In our next video, we will dive into time-based one-time passwords, TOTP. It's another method of securing your accounts using Flipper. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Flipper Zero. See you next time.